Hello, my real peeps. This is the real I'm Just Saying, coming back to you with more work from home job opportunities. AM Trace is looking for a few good people. AM Trace is a healthcare workforce solutions for public health agencies. They support local and public health departments with vaccine management and distribution, testing coordination, and contact tracing. At AM Trace, they help local public health officials meet the daunting challenges of protecting their communities during the COVID-19 pandemic. They are not a call center, technology application, or staffing agency. AM Trace is a unique offering to support local public health agencies with a dedicated team trained to engage with local citizens directly on the most sensitive topics necessary to contain the spread of the pandemic and manage effective distribution and quality management of the vaccine. AM Trace has immediate openings for a contact tracer to support state and local COVID-19 contact tracer programs. It is a high call volume position. This is a remote position with no travel required. This position will begin immediately. Compassion and empathy are key traits needed in candidates who are applying for AM Trace opportunities. Nurses, social workers, and those with a public health background are highly encouraged to apply to join their fast-paced, dynamic, and remote workforce. The successful contact tracer will work remotely to conduct a virtual needs check and connect at-risk COVID-19 positive patients and people in quarantine to community resources. Your responsibilities would be to call contacts of newly diagnosed patients, communicate with contacts in a professional and empathetic manner, collect and record information on symptoms into the CRM. Provide contacts with approved information on state and local quarantine procedures and, if appropriate, refer them to testing according to protocol and/or to COVID-19 Care Resource Coordinator for social resources. Contact tracers will follow the script to inform contacts about the importance of quarantine and what to do if symptoms develop. They are not permitted to deviate from the script or provide information that is not included in the script. Contact tracers will be required to use their own telephones, computers, and electronic equipment, and they must maintain daily contact with the supervisor. General requirements: ability to exhibit a professional, positive attitude and work ethic, excellent interpersonal skills, ability to interact professionally with culturally diverse individuals during a time of crisis and distress, ability to show empathy to distressed individuals, college degree or equivalent required, excellent organizational and communication skills, ability to speak, read, and write English. Second or multiple languages are a plus, especially Spanish, Portuguese, French, Haitian Creole, Mandarin, Cantonese, and Bengali. Critical thinking and sound judgment required. Ability to handle confidential information with discretion and professionalism. Technical requirements: PC with Windows 10 or Mac with Mac operating system 10.15 or newer. Antivirus protection: Windows Defender and Windows Firewall, and for Mac, antivirus protection, Sophos. Personal mobile device: a headset is recommended, must have a quiet, dedicated workspace, and user-provided home high-speed network connection. AM Trace also has immediate openings for case investigators to support state and local COVID-19 contact tracing programs. It is a high call volume position. This is a remote position with no travel required, and this position will begin immediately. Nurses, social workers, and those with a public health background are highly encouraged to apply to join the fast-paced, dynamic, and remote workforce. The successful case investigator will perform case investigations and supervise regionally focused contact tracers who will work remotely to conduct a virtual needs check and connect at-risk COVID-19 positive patients and people in quarantine to community resources. Responsibilities: act as primary point person to call people with a positive diagnostic test for COVID-19. Provide support and gather information, including information about the disease. Triage and coordinate next steps for isolation for cases and quarantine for individuals the person has been in contact with. Communicate with cases in a professional and empathetic manner. Collect and record information on symptoms into the CRM. Coordinate tracking efforts with local health authorities and refer high-level cases to local resources. Oversee quality control of data collection and data reporting. Supervise a team of contact tracers. Make informed, educated decisions on case management based on interview guidelines. Case investigators will be required to use their own telephone, computer, and electronic equipment. Maintain daily contact with the case navigator. Educational requirements. Bachelor's degree or equivalent license or certification in a health science field. Experience within a healthcare setting. Ability to exhibit a professional, positive attitude and work ethics. Excellent interpersonal skills required and ability to interact professionally with culturally diverse individuals during a time of crisis and stress. Ability to show empathy to distressed individuals. Excellent organizational and communication skills. Ability to speak, read, and write English. Critical thinking and sound judgment required. Ability to handle confidential information with discretion and professionalism. And proficiency with computers. Proficiency in languages other than English is a strong plus, especially Spanish, Portuguese, French, Haitian Creole, Mandarin, Cantonese, and Bengali. RNs, LPNs, BA in public health or healthcare related degrees preferred. Technological requirements. PC with Windows 10 or Mac with Mac operating system 10.15 or newer. Antivirus protection, Windows Defender, and Windows Firewall, and for Mac, antivirus protection, Cyphos. Personal mobile device, a headset is recommended. Must have a quiet, dedicated workspace and user-provided home high-speed network connection. Trace has other remote positions available. They're state-specific, so I will leave the link for those in the description box as well. That's all I have for now. Good luck and happy job hunting. Bye now. Don't forget to like this video, comment to this video, repost this video, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos.